we were able to give these people probably about $100,000 worth of value. What did they end up paying? Absolutely $1. I'm JT with Lamont Bros. We just wrapped up our first Give Back project in 2024, and we are looking forward to doing another one in 2025. The Lamont Give Back program was designed to find somebody that had a need that wasn't able to accomplish it, somebody that really needed some practical, physical help improving their space or fixing something that was broken. That brought us to Bob and Betsy. Their situation was brought to our attention, and through some conversations, it really made sense that we were able to step in and be the ones to help them to take a space that was dysfunctional, honestly some safety hazards, and improve that, fix it, give them something beautiful to enjoy. By all accounts, that has been a smashing success. I am so excited to see what we left them with, because it is far beyond what I even envisioned this program being. It's meant the world to them. It's taken something that was broken and ugly and given them something that is both functional and gorgeous, that is, worthy of even any of our remodels that we are, proud to put on our website and excited to talk about and show people. This is right up there with the best of them. The biggest problem for them was that island, or rather the lack of it. The range was freestanding and didn't have just the cable down from the ceiling, and they had folding tables where an island really should be. So that was really the core of the project. From there, it was all about exploring, well, what's possible? What could we do? Let's explore some trade partners, let's explore some vendor partners that could help us do even more for this couple. And that's where we ended up going. If our cabinet company can help us get even more cabinets than just a couple for the island, how about we make everything match and we make this whole part of the kitchen beautiful? If our countertop partner could help us out and not just give us a little bit of countertop for the slab, we got to give them a gorgeous set of countertops that matches everywhere throughout their entire kitchen, the biggest island you will ever see. It's going to be amazingly useful and beautiful for them. The island was definitely the centerpiece, but we were able to take up some of the floor, use some extra boxes of flooring that they had around, and that whole space tie together. The backsplash as well, that was definitely a bonus. That took the space above the countertops from, yep, it's a wall, and made it another statement piece that tied in with the rest of the kitchen. There were a few of the electrical upgrades, right? There was an island here, then we needed to make sure that that was functional and had the outlets that it needed. And we were able to go a little bit further than that and give them some excellent lighting placement that tied in with the rest of their lighting. The sink stayed same position, so it was mostly just remounting finishes. Our plumbing partner was able to come in and do that professionally and give them that, comfort and peace of mind. The other major change was the range that they had in there was electric. That was what they were expecting, was another electric range. They do have natural gas in the house, so I at some point I asked them, well, would you rather switch to a gas range? And the answer was kind of well, yeah, obviously that would be really awesome to cook on. That was something that really our mechanical HVAC contractors came through for us and did, as well as our vendor partner that was able to donate a really, really beautiful gas range. Well, what we set out to do in 2024 was find somebody that we could bless, and I feel like we really accomplished that. We were able to give these people an amazing experience and an amazing product that they wouldn't have otherwise been able to accomplish on their own. I'm excited to do it again. It's 2025 now. We plan to do at least one project this year that's very similar.